get her on the main road to wait for the bus.
Yes, let's wait here.
The bus has arrived. Let's get in.
I wonder what team we will arrive in Wisata Bahari Lamongan.
I think it's lower 10 past.
We'll be there in there and a half hours.
Yes, we take 3.5 hours from here to there.
What are you going to buy later?
Let's buy food and iced tea.
What are we going to play at Wisata Bahari Lamongan later?
We play haunted house or outer reader.
Let's go buy ticket.
Yes, come in.
Let's fit a place to next to the park.
Come on.
Orang three.
What do you want to buy?
Yes, don't eat too much.
You want to go home now?
Yes, don't study. And next.
Yes, let's then go home.
You think the orang eye is delicious?
I think the orang is it not wet enough.
I don't think it's with either. Okay, from the dialogue, we can express an example of asking opinion. 1. What do you think about BBR? 2. Do you think we'll in Wisata Bahari Malang? I think enough about asking and giving opinion. Thank you for watching. The less I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.